Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to upload photos or videos to your newsfeed or your story in your Facebook account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar in iOS as well as Android device. For the further process, I will be using iOS device. Now, open your Facebook app. Here I go. Your home page appears. At the left corner, you can see create a story with that plus icon. Tap on that. Your photos appears. You can choose now any photo or video you want to upload to your story. I'll go with third picture. Here I go. Now you can see share to story at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. Here you can see your photo is being uploaded to your story. Likewise, for uploading your photos or video to your newsfeed, go to your profile. Here I go. Scroll down. At the middle you can see photo. Tap on that. Here you can choose any photo or videos you want to upload to your newsfeed. I'll go with fourth picture. Here I go. Now tap on done at the top right corner. Now tap on post, which is at the top right corner. Scroll down. You can see that your photo has been uploaded. In this way, you can upload any photo or videos to your story as well as your newsfeed. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.